This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Coldwell Banker Premier Realty. Perfectly maintained 3-bed, 2-bath, brick and vinyl home in much desired Lamar School District. Large family room with great natural lighting. Nice kitchen with lots of storage, very large laundry room with extra cabinet space. Big full front porch, backed deck looking on big privacy fence backyard with huge trees. Make this perfect for a family home. Home build 2005. New heat and air in May of 2024, new roof in 2022, concrete driveway, and more. This one is ready for its new family. For more information, review the details below or contact Coldwell Banker Premier Realty at 479-754-4666.